Hello, and welcome to our video series on NJ Transfer. In this segment, you will learn how to use the new transcript evaluation import and export features. Our transcript evaluator allows you to evaluate your community college courses and their progression against recommended transfer programs at four-year institutions. We recognize that entering your courses manually can be time-consuming. This new feature will make the process of entering your academic history much quicker and easier. To use this feature, you will start on the NJ Transfer homepage, where you can access the Find Equivalency feature through a link in the drop-down menu under Students, located at the top of the page. You'll click on Find Course Equivalencies, and on the next page, you will be asked to select the school you are transferring from and to. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will select Mercer County Community College and Montclair University, then click Submit. Instead of entering a course into the search field, you will click List All Equivalencies. The next web page provides you with options to filter your results. You can check active courses to view the courses that are currently running at the two-year institution you've selected. If you believe the course you've taken may no longer be running and you want to view the full roster of both active and inactive courses, you will not check any of the boxes. Once you have made the selection you want or opted not to select anything, click Search. This will provide you a master list of either all, in this case, of Mercer County Community College's actively running courses, or a master list of all the courses we have in the system, regardless of they are currently being offered or not. Please make sure to have a copy of your academic history from your current two-year institution handy as you take the next step. Once you have a list of all the courses you have taken, along with the grades you've earned, as well as the term and year in which you took those courses, you will scroll up and down the list, checking on the boxes next to the course codes you have earned grades for. Once you find the course code that you've taken, you will click on it and a pop-up box will appear for you to be able to enter the grade that you earned. You will repeat these steps until you've selected every course that you've earned grades for over the course of your academic journey thus far. Once you have checked everything you need, scroll to the bottom of the page and hit Process. Once you hit Process, it will take you directly to the Transcript Evaluator, where you will see the courses that you chose and the grades you entered. Please remember that you need to adjust the term and the year in which you took the course, as the system will automatically populate the course's submission term and year, not the year that you took the course as an individual. If you have taken courses at more than one New Jersey two-year institution, you can at this point click Change Institutions at the bottom and change the sending institution to whichever other New Jersey two-year institution you've earned grades with, and repeat the process. Once the transcript evaluator has all the courses you wish to evaluate, you can now choose course evaluation, transfer program evaluation, or both. To utilize our new export feature, you will click on Course Evaluation. On the next page, you will find a new button at the top of the results that says Export this list, and a copy of the results will be exported into an Excel document for you to be able to download. To learn more about the additional ways you can use the transcript evaluation tool, be sure to watch Transcript Evaluation Parts 2 through 5.